just in case it doesn't fall out, right?
I got it.
You got it?
Oh wow, you're like really strong. Wait, hold on, wait.
What are you doing, Anna? Just put your foot up.
Wait, hold on. I'm wearing a skirt that's really hard.
That's why I didn't wear a skirt today.
Yeah, but it's a skirt.
It's a, oh my God.
Oh my god.
My skirts.
Why are you recording this?
Because he asked me to.
Wow.
Don't fall.
Evidence that Anna's a klutz.
Anna was a what?
A klutz.
I was more afraid.
Wow, look at that fight. Oh my God,
Got you on camera trying to get a booger.
All the way in. Red-handed.
You gotta commit. You gotta commit.
Here we go.
I think you can see part of Waikiki over there. You see the buildings? That's Diamond Head right over there. Oh wow, look at those clouds. It's gonna rain. It will be like an hour before like completely sunset. Look at the strength of the ocean, it's just incredible. And the water's calm. So underneath all of this, they're actually like caves. And inside those caves, there's seal monks actually just rest there and sleep. It's super nice.
They come up here.
Yeah. Well, they swim through here. Tourists are like, they get on the middle right there and they just get washed. Poof. And it's so dangerous.
Yeah.
Because they could get knocked off and they get hit against a rock or anything. No, the tourists. Oh, there you go. This is the one. This is the one. Yeah, but whoa! Doesn't look too bad from up here. Over there.
Right? Yeah, I think from over there it would have like way more. Was it your shoe?
It was a wet spot.
Yeah. I was like, maybe it's the shoes, that's why.
Well, it should have been good. You have traffic.
That's why you played it off.
Slips. That's how I am. Like when I go ice skating, I never fall. Cause I'm like, I hate falling. I'm like,
It hurts.
it will not happen. Not today. Yeah, I don't fall a lot when I do.
I'm just waiting for that perfect break again. Right on top of